So, going ahead with personality development, before discussing the benefits of personality development, let us focus on the determinants of personality. What are the determinants? It's not determined by a single factor, but by an accumulation of many factors, such as mainly we can divide it into biological factors, family and social factors, cultural factors, and situational factors. When we speak about biological factors, we can divide that into heredity, brain, and physical features. Well, brain is one of the most important personality determinant. It's generally believed that the father and the child adopt almost the same type of brain stimulation. Later differences are the result of the environment in which the child is grown and it is getting the exposure, etc. When we speak about heredity, perhaps the most surprising and astonishing personality determinant is this. The example given is very interesting. Research found that many different countries have studied thousands set of identical twins who were separated at birth and raised separately. For instance, one set of twins who had been separated for 39 years and raised 45 miles apart were found to drive the same model and color car. See, their taste, their interest, the preference of what is their brand. They also chain smoke the same brand of cigarette, and they used to own the same breed of dog. It's very quite astonishing. Heredity is perhaps the most important factor in determining personality, since mostly all the other determinants physical characteristic, gender, psychology and more are passed down through this genes only. So when we speak about physical characteristic, your height, skin tone, weight, hair color, your beauty, everything, one of the most important factor in determining our personalities are physical characters. These factors play a vital role in determining our behavior also. Like these factors influence interaction with other people, contributing to personality development. Then let us discuss the family and social factors. Socialization process, our identification process, home environment, social group, everything influence our personality. Social experiences play a very important role. The things that occur around a person on a regular basis determine how that person will behave and perceive themselves. Like a person's social experience affect the coordination skill, cooperation skill, family relationship, workplace relationship, organizational relationship, involvement in communities, etc. For example, in a family where there are 2 or 3 children, the elder one is always having a very compassionate and empathetical approach, and the families where only child is there, that child tend to show a little bit of selfish behavior. I am sorry if the only children, I am giving the disclaimer first itself, but it can be trained. Many parents do regulate this particular aspect in a very young stage, so we can overcome that particular disadvantages. Then culture and religion is in which we live almost always involves traditional practices, norm, customs, procedures, rules and regulation, and then our values. These are all highly influential determinants of our personality. Then comes the behavior pattern, situational factor, positive behavior and negative behavior. I wish to discuss this particular thing in detail in the next coming session. Okay. So let's understand the benefits of personality development. Most people underestimate the importance of having a pleasing personality. Majority think it just means being born good looking. I am very fair, I am very tall, I am very smart, good looking, so that's enough. But that's not true. The scope of personality development is quite broad. It includes knowing how to dress well, social graces, grooming, speech, and interpersonal skill. Whatever your career, these are very important skills that will promote your objectives. To better appreciate its importance, some of the key benefits of developing your personality include confidence, credibility, interaction, leading and motivating, communication skills. So by the end of this course, definitely there will be major differences in your confidence level. Your interaction skill will improve. You will be able to improve your leadership skill. You will be in a better position to motivate others, and definitely your communication skill will also improve, and credibility, definitely that will reach the optimum stage. This is my wish, and I really wish you all get benefit of this particular certificate course.